Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to fix PayPal not linking to your bank account. So to get started with the easy workaround on how you can easily get it fixed. So the first thing to do is to open your PayPal app, or you can also open your website and log in into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, go to the wallet section, then check your bank details. So make sure your routing number and your account number are entered correctly. Then after that, you have to confirm it's a checking account. So PayPal works best with US, which is United States checking account, in your name. So savings or business accounts may not link. Then after that, try manual linking. So select the link bank manually instead of logging into your bank. So Palmpay will send 2 small deposits to your account. Then after that, you have to verify the deposit. So after 1 or 2 business days, check back for the deposit, return to PayPal and enter the exact amount to confirm. And after that, remove and re-add the bank if needed. So if it still doesn't work, remove the bank from your PayPal and try linking it again from the scratch. And after that, if that didn't work, you can as well call your bank. So ask if they were blocking the external links or micro deposit from PayPal. Then try another bank account if that doesn't work. So if the problem continues, use a different checking account that meets the PayPal's requirement. And that's how you can easily fix PayPal not linking to your bank account. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.